know that this weekend, this upcoming weekend, it's going to be a little different than most, you know. FUWAMOCO, we're gonna be focusing on getting some important homework done. Which means, you know, it'll be a little strange since we won't be able to see each other for quite a while. The weekend, right?
A couple days. Maybe.
But, you know, we thought because it might be a little rough that, you know, that we do a Twitter space! A Twitter space, another Twitter space, our second Twitter space.
Good! Especially since things might be getting a bit messy again.
Yeah.
We'll chit-chat together while tidying up all the fluff and flies, okay?
Yeah, all the fun.
So that means you have to too.
Yeah. The space will happen on Sunday the 12th at 1 p.m. PT and 6 a.m. JST. That'll be the 13th JST. We'll be looking at your comments in the live chat that will open temporarily early.
On YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube. For the following FUWAMOCO Morning. So FUWAMOCO Morning's live chat will open
for a bit.
And then it'll go goodbye for a little while.
We hope that you'll join us for a bit more time that we can spend together then, okay? After that, we go straight back to our homework.
Straight back to it, yeah.
Got it.
So early. It's a little bit early, but you know, that way, you know, the day is still kind of in the swing of things. And it'll be all tiny. You know, it'll be fun.
There it is.
Oh my gosh, that's the 100th sneeze. I don't know how to feel right now.
Congratulations, Raphael!
The 42nd FUWAMOCO Morning and the 100th sneeze.
I wasn't expecting to sneeze today. You have to ask me for my commentary, okay?
Moko-chan, how does it feel to sneeze 100 times within 3 months?
Well, I feel like now I'm so famous. Everyone knows me. Everyone knows me for my sneezing. And now I'm very famous, well known for my sneezing.
Although it seems Ruffy that all the sneezes have gone to her head.
It's gone to my head! They've gone to my sinuses! Everyone knows me for my sinuses! Yes.
Well, Moko-chan, do you have any ideas for, you know, maybe a tissue line or nasal spray?
I'm waiting for your messages. For the contacts, okay?
We're waiting. You can phone us at the hashtag FWFC waiting.
Yeah, phone us at the hashtag, okay? I can do the stuff. I can say this is amazing.
Yeah. Well,
we are celebrating!
Thank you, #1 sneezer, Moko-chan!
Thank you, Raphael! Thank you for the rainbow!
Bye-bye! Now continuing with FUWAMOCO Morning, back to regular programming.
I'm sorry for the interruption. It was a very important news update. Live news breaking right now, sneezing into your heart. Yes.
Sneezing into your heart. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Well, we hope that you'll join us for a Twitter space on Sunday the 12th at 1 p.m. PT. And then that way we can all kind of tidy up the fluff and the fuzz. You know. And then maybe Moko-chan will sneeze too.
Likely.